You explain a lot
We
of
were trying
things.
to get better benefits for our library employees, and we thought we got Saline Papers
No, that's okay.
umbrella.
We already have it. We wanted to keep papers in the merger.
Are you chair?
No.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Mr. Chair, I would just say this. There have been communications that have been far that
On both sides.
that the
Can you let the man speak?
There's a communication problem, period, and it's both sides. We have to agree that it's both sides.
sure
No.
we got yes we have a problem.
On both
I
sides,
agree.
there's a communication
Well, you don't have to
problem.
agree there's a problem with both sides. It's
What I'm saying is I feel like this is a very important issue. And I have not heard a way forward. Let me say that. I have not seen anything put into action that meets the level of the issue. There's a lot of, I've said, we pay a whole lot of attention how we fight sometimes, and not what the issue is. I want to be laser focused on what the issue is. And I promise I think already. This board was put into place for a specific reason that I respect. I respect it. However this board decides that we are to get through this, I don't know how much discussion. I haven't seen it. I don't see any reflected in last month's minutes. I don't see any that have been spoken about until I got up here. Public comment during business. I have great concern, and you need to know that I have great concern. I am requesting. I'm supposed to be getting quarterly reports. Deals with operations.
We'll be glad to send you quarterly reports. We'll make sure you have all the information you request. Just list exactly what you want, and those reports will be in your office.
It's in that ordinance. And under operations, this issue of books that have already been turned in for reconsideration, I need to know how that plays out, and quickly.
We have a policy for that.
Is our current policy with regard to reconsideration, is that in compliance with Act 372?
Will?
That's hard to say. I have not seen it, but I
You
would
haven't
say
seen what?
it's a reconsideration policy. Not been provided.
Yeah, the language is from Act 372.
Are you calling the cover sheet your policy, or are you calling what you click on your website your policy?
Yeah, we have a policy on the website.
What are you calling policy?
What I looked at looked to me to be a procedure that was updated on 3/20, but maybe again. If somebody could send that policy with that quarterly report, that would be helpful also.
I guess what I was leading up to is if we have the policy in place, and I think you're laser focusing on this issue, reconsideration, then are you understanding that we have started that process? The reconsideration form was submitted today, right?
Yes.
And so that's the trigger we needed in order to examine the book that was put up for reconsideration. I mean, to happen today, you're going to have to give the staff time to go through those steps. And I can't, in the library, staff can go pull a book from somewhere in the library and put it in another place.
It should be an objective view, correct? It should be an objective view to be compliant with this policy. My major concern, let me just kind of refine it down to this. There's nothing wrong with those books. It is not illegal to be gay or trans. To say there's nothing wrong with a book that has been now submitted for reconsideration, it can defeat the the confidence of somebody in putting forth a policy. Can you see how that can happen? Before you put a policy in, somebody says there's nothing wrong with that book.
Don't you think that banning of books, to censor books should be hard to do? Otherwise, there is something out there.